Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and use the utorrent program. First you want to go ahead and go to Internet Explorer. You're going to want to go ahead and go to a search engine. I'm going to go ahead and go to Google. Once that loads, go ahead and type in utorrent and search for it. Once you search for it, you're going to get a whole bunch of lists of sites where you can download a utorrent. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the first one, utorrent.com. Once you go there, that pops up. You're going to click on Get utorrent. Once you do that, you're going to click Save File. Click Save. I'm going to download it. Run. Once it's downloaded, it opens up and you can start using it. Now how you use it, there are three ways to get a utorrent and use it. First way is add a utorrent from your computer. If you already have one, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Add utorrent once it pops up. Find the utorrent on your computer, wherever it is, and then click on the utorrent, or click on the torrent. Once it shows up in the box, click Open, and then it should automatically appear in the big white box. Second way is add a utorrent from URL. If you already found a torrent online and you have the URL for it, you go ahead and type it in here. Then you're gonna click OK once it's completely typed in. Once you do that, in this big white box they should already start downloading, and there's really nothing to do except when they finish downloading, and then you can use it. Now the third way, and the most common way, is the search box. Usually people don't already have the utorrents, so they need to find them. Go to the search box and type in torrent that you want to look for. Right now I'm just going to type in torrent. It's going to go ahead and open up Google for you, and then a whole bunch of listings again of sites where you can find the torrent are going to open up. I'm going to click on one. Once it opens, you see that there's another search box where you can find exactly what torrent you want. I'm going to say I want a music torrent. Type in music and click search, and I'm going to get an entire listing of various music torrents I can download. I'm going to go ahead and click the first one. Once you're there, you're going to see download torrent. Click on it. A box is going to open up that says open up with the torrent. You want to make sure it says open is checked, and then the right utorrent that you want is selected. Once you do that, you're going to click OK. Here you're going to want to make sure that start torrent is selected and that the torrent you want is selected. Then you click OK. Once you do that, this big white box is going to already start downloading for you. And then there's nothing else to do from there other than let it download. Now one important feature on here is, well, I'll show you. Go to Options and Preferences, and once you get here, you're going to see that I clicked on Connection. You're going to see this thing where it says Randomize Port. You're going to want to make sure it's checked. And what that does is it keeps your internet service provider from tracking you and tracking what you download from online. And I know that sometimes download illegal stuff and you don't want them seeing. And so what this does is every time you open up utorrent, it starts a different port, so they can't track it just one computer. Now if you don't want it to be checked and you don't want it to do it every time, but you still want to do it sometimes, you can go ahead and click that randomize port button. Alright, that's pretty much all you need to know on how to download and use utorrent. I hope you enjoyed this brief instruction video. Have a nice day.